Hello children, welcome to maths class. In this video we are going to learn exercise 13.1 question number 4. Before that I would like to tell you, if you have not subscribed the channel, you are new at the channel, please subscribe it fast and get your learning well from through this channel, and share also among your friends, let everyone get help from here. So let us start. The question is, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. Usually we buy paint for painting our house or wherever, whatever. So that much paint is there, it can paint this much area. But here we are going to paint the bricks. Here it is. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So if we have these bricks, how many bricks can be painted? So first of all, the paint is sufficient to paint, the paint in a container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square, and we are seeing bricks have dimensions in centimeter. So this area we will convert into centimeter. Sometime if area we don't convert, we will have to convert bricks dimension into meter. So here are 3. Instead of converting these 3 into meter, let us convert this area into centimeter. But remember, area is in meter square. Usually if meter we convert into centimeter, we multiply it by 100. 1 meter 100 centimeter, 2 meter 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. But if it is meter square, we have to multiply it by 100 into 100. I hope you know this. So 9.375 into 100 into 100. Now what shall we write here? Centimeter square. Why we converted into centimeter square? Because bricks we will not convert into meter, bricks we will keep in centimeter. And we write down dimensions of, or straight we can write here total surface area of a brick. Surface area of a brick. We all know the formula. What is that? 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Straight we can pick up from the question dimensions and use it here. Length, breadth, thickness or height. Once more, first one length, second one breadth, third one is thickness or height. So let us see. 2. Length is how much? 22.5. Breadth is 10 plus breadth 10, thickness or height 7.5, length 22.5 and thickness or height is 7.5. We need to calculate this part. 225 into 10, 2250 after one digit decimal, so 225.0 plus 75 into 10. Decimal is there, but we will just multiply the numbers first and work for decimal later. 75 into 10, 750 after one digit decimal. And next we find 225 into 75. So we need to multiply that. So let's see, 225 into 75. 5 5s are 25. You know this calculation. I am showing you so that when you do the solution your own, you need to multiply it in rough side. Otherwise, directly we cannot know 225 into 75. 25, 12, 5 2s are 10, 1 11. 7 5s are 35, 30, 14, 3, 17, 7 2s are 14, 1 15. So 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. So we get 225 into 75. Decimal we will put later. we get 16875, 875, and here we have decimal after 2 digit, 1 digit in both the number. So 168.75. Now we need to add. So for adding, what shall we do? This number has 2 decimal places and here only 001 decimal places. So just we put one more 0. For adding it will be easy for that. So we will get first up before decimal we will get 0.75. We can use here multiplication sign. Now we are going to get addition and single number we will get here. Then 8 5, 13 5, 18, 6 1 7 7, 14 2, 16, 1 1 2 2 4. So we get 2 into 468.75. We'll multiply. Let us multiply right here itself. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 1 15. Decimal is there, 1 is remaining. 8 2s are 16, 1 17. 6 2s are 12, 1 13. 4 2s are 8, 1 9. So we are seeing one brick, if we are painting, its total surface area is 937.50 centimeter square, and total paint is available this to paint this much area. So we will just divide the paint available in the container, and what is the area of total surface area of a brick, we will know how many bricks can be painted. Let us do that. Number of bricks which can be painted. Number of bricks which can be painted. Is equal to how much area it can paint? 9.375 into 100 into 100. So total this much paint is there, this much area we are able to paint. One bricks area is 937.50. Now remove decimal, again 100 will come here because it has 20 in denominator, in numerator it will come. From here if we remove decimal, 1000 will come because that has 3 digit decimal places. Then look at the numbers and simplify. This 0 we can cut, again another 0 we can cut. From here one more 0 we can cut, one more 0 we can cut, and see how easy calculation is. 9375 into 9375, in one time itself we can cut. Same number divides, we get 1. So how many bricks can be painted with this available paint? 100 bricks. So very interesting question. Only we need to be little careful, because when we use this what is that surface area, first we see how much area that paint is available paint is for how much area. We saw the question, bricks dimension was in centimeter, so we did not convert bricks into meter, we converted this area into centimeter square. Then finding the total surface area of brick, while multiplying and adding we need to be little careful, and then total area, the paint is available to paint, divide by the surface area, total surface area of a brick. So after, once you learn, please give like also, and then give comment. If you have any other doubts from any chapter, we will be bringing that video for you. See you in next video.